Thing number two, a lead magnet, like a checklist or a shopper's guide. Most shoppers for aircraft maintenance, repairs, upgrades, etc., may not be too sure about all of the questions that they should be asking to make good decisions. Some people do this periodically. Some people they manage large fleets, and so they know everything. But some of us, only get certain repair services once every few years. So, this is not something we do every day. We're not comfortable not knowing what questions to ask. So a lead magnet or a checklist or a shopper's guide is a really good way to say, here are the things you should be looking for in your avionics choices, or in your exterior services, or in your engine plan. These are things that are the pros and cons of the different choices that you could be making, so that your customer feels educated and feels good about that.